Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristbands on this smart band. To change the straps or the wristband on this smart band, first we need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your smart band, pick it up, and once you pick it up and flip it around, and at the back of the band you will see that above each strap, or rather next to each strap, you have the button basically. And what we need to do is to press on this button and then pull the strap to release it, because when you press on the button it will release the mechanism and then you can pull out the strap. Quite simple. Basically you push the button and pull out the strap like this, and here we have our device and our straps. And once you get the new ones, you can put them back on by simply grabbing the strap and inserting it right here. Like this. And when it clicks, it means that it's locked and it's gonna hold. Like that. Remember, it has to click. That means that the mechanism locked on the strap. And that's how you change the straps on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.